All right. Another Crave review video. This one is kind of a funny, kind of a cool story. My wife ordered this product. I didn't know we needed it, didn't know what it was, had no clue. It came, she set it up. The setup is like this. You put it on the counter, you put your appliance on it, and that's the setup. What it does is really cool. It slides out and it slides in. Nice and easy, nice and smooth. You can use your appliances, gives you a little bit more space, lets the air fryer breathe back here, and then it slides back in. I know the coffee maker, the KitchenAid, perfect appliances for this. This is a small company. Actually, I didn't know how to pronounce the name of the company, so I called this number. It's Ibyx. I wrote it down. It's got a small company, but they're doing a great job. It's a great product. Instead of having them getting ripped off, you can buy the product right here on Crave Marketplace. I'll leave some links below. I love the box. It's nice and sturdy. And it also tells you on the box, sliding range, unique bamboo design, smooth and silent, and it's available in 5 sizes, and all those sizes are here. And I think they're coming out, he mentioned that they're gonna come out with 7 more products by the end of the year. This is a small little company to watch out for, and I love that. Support your local entrepreneurs. Again, it slides out and it slides in. And here's the crazy thing. You're gonna go around and you're gonna see more and more of these in people's homes, but this one's the original. It's Ibyx. It's the original. It can be found on Crave Marketplace. Back these guys up. It's a great product. I know if my wife hasn't ordered 2 more, I know we're gonna get 2 more for sure. So Crave Marketplace out. Like, subscribe if you dig the channel. Check out the website. I'm trying to load more and more products as fast as I can. I review them as I load them, so it takes some time. If you have any products that you'd like to see reviewed, please leave in the comments. If you have any products that you'd like to see on the website, let me know. I'd love to put more products on the website that just like this, that people use, that are innovative and creative for the house. And who can't support a small company? All right, Crave Marketplace. Cheers, everyone.